Hi everyone, this is Katie here. Today is Wednesday, October 22nd, 2025, third trading day of the week. Let's take a look at the watch list here. VIX plus 7.22%. So it's a very bearish price action for the whole market. Generally, all the stocks in my watch list are all on a bearish price action here. Significant moves, I would see SoFi more than 2% drop, minus 6.57%. KTOS minus 9.04%, CRWV minus 7.7%, MBIS minus 7.24%, AMD minus 4%, SoundHound minus 7.3%, and Poyet minus 3.62%. So you can see that across all the stocks, the price are quite bearish. This actually decreases my net liquidation value and also my accessibility. But bear in mind that net liquidation value it's for your information only. We just have to ensure that the excess liquidity is positive, so that all your positions are not closed and you can continue to perform trades like rolling your options to gain more credit, or selling calls to gain more credit, or even pumping more cash to boost up your accessibility. The concept here is just to weather through the storm here, and after weathering through, then you will see exponential gains. So with this in mind, let's look at the trades that has been placed for today. Okay, so today was a controlled debit day. It's a precision reset to realign exposure and tighten the call side risk here. So I actually rotated JD calls. I wrote CRW's convexity. I also reinforced CRM's downside hedge, and also layered GLD puts for volatility coverage. So there's no yield harvest today, just tightening before the next gamma turn. So what I did, let's take a look at JD. JD here, I decided to roll down from 36 to 34. So why I do so? Because I actually got my JD at $34 here. I'm just rolling down back to the break-even price. And also at $36 strike price, my percentage value is less than 50%. So I decided to roll down, and it's a bearish price action. So in the end, I'll gain more credit for doing so. So I got about 0.26 cents here. Next, CRWV. So what I did is I actually closed the course on October 31st and roll it to November 28, 137. So CRWV actually dropped more than 20 points, and it's about 115-ish. So why I chose November 28? Because at November 28, 137 break-even price, the delta is 0.25. So that's my take for rolling. I will always look at the break-even price. That delta is 0.25 to get the best premium out of it. It's a range. Sometimes people will choose between 0.1 to 0.3. For me, I think 0.25 is a sweet spot. So it's not wrong to use 0.3. It's not wrong to use 0.1 or 0.15. Just have to stay consistent. Next, for CRM and GLD, it's more about adding in new puts here to boost up my accessibility. So this will actually reduce my lower convex hedge after the core heavy structure. So it's a control hedge to manage downside convexity while maintaining a core equity position. That's for CRM. And GLD is also pure insurance, just volatility protection against broad risk outflow. So there's no yield intent here, just liquidity allocation into convex defense as the wick compresses the theta. So in short, these are just hedges here to boost up my accessibility. Debit 2.12 and debit 4.42 here. So overall, I think that's all. The daily takeaway here is that these today trades are not about income, it's about structure. So actually, it's a deliberate negative position here to tighten my risk and roll forward convexity and rebuild my defense. So when volatility expands, I don't actually chase you. I just reposition before it hits. So that's all for today. Remember to like this YouTube video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell. So have a great day, everyone. Signing off here.